Look what I found hiding under the couch. It's all sandy. Lena, I don't hear the ocean, I hear a drum bait. The floor is turning into the ocean. Are you ready for a deep dive? Adventure Snap! Whoa, look at our gear! Now we're ready to dive deep. Do you want to join us on an underwater adventure? Let's go find that tooth! Swim, swim! Whoa, everything is so bright down here. Swim, look out for those sea turtles! Duck down low! Stay behind the turtle, Addy. It's the secret way in. To the left, to the right. Keep moving, explorers. Look at this warning sign. It says avoid the red coral. Can you remember that? Through the middle. We're getting closer. We're underwater. Look at the ruins. But the path is blocked by giant bubbles. Can you help us pop the bubbles? Clap your hands with us. 1, 2, 3. Dive down deep in the blue so bright. Pop the bubbles with all your might. Deep in the blue so bright. Waistline so tight. We're gonna give that a treasure in a flash. I've got the rhythm. Look, the path is staying open. Follow the gold. The Shark King must be that way. It's getting darker, Addy. Stay close to the glowing moss. Shh! Did you see that shadow? Something big is coming. What's that? Uh-oh. Sharks in the water! Sharks in the water! Out of the blue! Swim fast! I'm right behind you! There it is! The ancient ruins of the Shark King! It's even bigger than the legend said! Whoa, the Shark King's palace! It's locked! We need a shark can to open the gate! My suit has the logo! Maybe I can trick the lock! Yes! Try it! It worked! We're in! Awesome! Let's go! We didn't come this far to lose! Let's dance! King Shuffle, move your feet! Dance along to the ocean beat! Snap your fingers, turn around! We're the best explorers to be found! We found it! The Shark King's tooth! It's beautiful!
So, you think you can take my tooth?
Lena? I think we should run now!
Fresh Bobby!
We gotta get out of here! They're catching up! Swim faster! Spin, spin, throw it back! The exit is closing! Swim, Lena, swim! We made it back, and we got the treasure! It's real! We actually went to the Shark Palace! Look! The map is changing! It's getting cold? I think I know where we're going next. Get your coats ready! Don't tell anyone about the Shark King. It's our little secret. Goodbye! And remember, always follow the beat. Explorers forever. See you on the mountain. Bye-bye! Should we go to the ice mountains next? Comment below and let us know. If you want us to find the ice treasure next, hit that red subscribe button right now. See you on the next adventure. Bye! Ouch! Lena, the shark tooth is freezing cold. It's glowing blue. I think it's showing us the next location. outside our house. It's an indoor snow day. Are you ready to climb, Addy? Adventure Snap! Whoa, these suits are so warm. I feel like a heater. Hold on tight, explorers. We're going to the top. Whoa, talk about a fast trip. Hold on, the mountain is straight ahead. Look at all this snow. It's amazing. Oh, it's a chilly day. We're riding the sled and we're on our way. The snow mountain through the white, searching for the treasure in the icy light. Transformation complete. The path is too slippery to walk. We need a new plan. Check this out. Ice grip boots. Stomp with me. Wow, okay. Stomp, reach, stomp, reach. Reach, stomp, reach. We're doing it. Brr, much better. Check out these thermal suits. We're glowing. The map says the frozen crown is at the very top. Can you help us climb the mountain? Got it. Don't let the wind win, Lena. Thanks, Addy. Slide to the left, slide to the right. We're climbing the peak in the chilly white light. Come on, gang, sing. Come on, gang, sing. Slide to the left, slide to the right. The ice is cold and the snow is white. The map says the crown is inside this cave. It looks spooky. Did you hear that? Something big is breathing. Shh, stay quiet, explorers. What's that? It's the guardian of the crown. Look out!
Nobody passes unless they can match my mountain mash. To pass the cave, you have to find the beat.
A singing yeti? Awesome! Stomp, stomp, clap, stomp, stomp, clap. Follow the yeti in the winter trap. You're doing great. Keep the beat with us. 1, 2, 3, stomp to the right. We're dancing with the yeti in the middle of the night. Almost there. I can see the crown. The peak is just ahead. Duck! Swimming! Slide to the side. Through the middle. Go, go, go! We did it! The frozen crown must be just up there.
Come on, explorers! We're almost at the top!
Look at the reflections. It's like a hall of mirrors. Shh! Did you hear that? Wait, which way is the real Addy? I'm over here! No, wait, I'm over there! Left, right, look in the glass! Move with the mirror so we can pass! The tooth is showing us the way! Follow the light, explorers! The frozen crown! We found it! Now that's what I call a movie ending! But we still have to get home! The mountain is reacting! We have to go now! Hold on to the crown! Ah! To the left! To the right! Duck! Here comes a big one! Whoa! Whoa! We did it! 2 treasures down! I'm still a little bit of an ice cube. Can we turn up the heat? Look! The shark tooth is warming up the crown! Wow, you're right. It's getting warm. So cool! Whoa! The next one is in a volcano? That's definitely not cold. Are you ready to handle the heat, explorers? I'm never gonna be cold again. Never! Thanks for climbing with us today. Stay warm out there, explorers. See you at the volcano. Don't forget to subscribe for more adventures. Whew. Is it just me or is it getting really hot in here? My ice cream is a puddle. The treasures are glowing red. The floor is turning into lava. Quick, Addy, stand on the rug. It's getting hot. Adventure Snap! Whoa!
Whoa! It's way hotter here than the beach!
The sun gem is at the very top. Whoa! We're actually inside the volcano! Look at the lava waterfalls! The ground is shaking. Follow me. I'm right behind you. Let's move. Jump to the left. Jump to the right. Stay on the stones and hold on tight. Iron feet. Walking to the blacking ink to the volcano feet. The fire, duck the smoke. This adventure is no joke.
If we can't find a path, we'll make one. Stay cool.
Great job, Addy! Your vest is a lifesaver! Duck down low!
Who just stopped fire?
We need that gem to save the map! The floor is melting!
Don't stop. Keep the rhythm going.
One jump here, one jump there, floating stones in the smoky air. He's fast! Now, Addy, grab the sun gem!
On it! I've got the sun gem, but the golem is waking up!
The whole mountain is coming down! Hold on tight!
He's not stopping, he's getting closer!
Get down now!
The heat is rising! Stay behind my shield, Lena!
Water and ice, fire and stone, we're the strongest team you've ever known! Slide to the left, slide to the right, we're escaping the heat with all our might! He's gonna grab us! The sun gem is protecting us! Keep going!
Yeah! See you later, Rockman! Look up, Mo! Here we come!
Made it! We actually made it!
That was epic!
And we still have the sun gem, look! There's no place like home! Whoa, I think I need a glass of cold water after that one.
Me too, but look, the third piece is home!
3 treasures! The golden key is almost back together! Wait, the map is pointing up? Like, to the stars?
Look at the table! Something is happening! They're clicking together!
Explorers, our journey isn't over yet!
Next stop, the stars!
We found the tooth, the crown, the gem! The adventure starts, let's rescue! See you in the next movie! Bye! Keep exploring! Explorers, our journey isn't over yet!
Next stop, the stars! Lena, help! The gravity is broken! I'm floating away!
Treasures are reacting to the stars! It's pulling us up! A giant spider web made of lasers? Spacebound! Adventure! The stars so bright, we're flying at the speed of light! I love these neon lights, and look at my pink wings!
My helmet is crystal clear! I can see everything!
Moon hop left, moon hop right, dancing in the balance! Don't let the gravity pull you away! Green lights dancing in the sky. We're the space explorers flying way up high. The station, watch the spider spin. We're the bravest team and we're gonna win! Look at this place, it's made of pure crystal!
And look there, the 4th treasure, the star diamond! I'll distract him with the gravity. Lena, get above him.
Got it. Use the sun gem to dazzle his sensors. Addy, I need a shield. The lasers are moving.
I've got you. Catching a meteor piece now.
Diving in. Cover me, Addy.
Watch out. The lasers are bouncing. Don't worry, Lena. If those spiders get close, I'll use the green glow.
It's a mirror trap. We have to move exactly like our reflections to get through. Feet on the ceiling, feet on the floor. Whoa! Open up the crystal door. Flip to the left, spin to... We're floating high, we're touching the sky. The star diamond makes us fly, 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 fly. Worked!
The treasures are stronger when they are together. The portal is opening. It's huge. The station is breaking up. We need to warp out of here. Point the diamond at the portal. It's our only way home.
Through the clouds of purple and blue, coming home to see all of you. 3, 2, 1, stop! Stop backing!
Whoa, gravity feels really heavy now.
Yeah, but we made it. Shark Tooth, Frozen Crown, Sun Gem, and Star Diamond, look! The golden key, it's finally complete!
Finding a door in our own hallway. The secret door is finally open.
3, snap!
We're inside a video game. Look at my hands. I'm made of blocks.
Pixel hop left, pixel hop right. We're winning the game with all our might.
Hoverboards activated. Follow the data stream.
Pixel jump! Ta! Left, right, pixel jump! Feel the digital bass like flat thumb! Through the door and in the game, the glitch is who we're gonna tame!
He's glitching the whole world. We have to stop him. Oh, my wings are glitching. I'm falling. Lena, hold on. I'm coming for you. I've got you, Lena. We're a team, remember?
Yes! Thank you, Addy!
Addy, use the treasures. All of them at once. I can't hold it much longer. Lena, we need the Star Diamond.
Elemental power, go! Water, ice, fire, and light! We're the heroes of the night! One big snap and one big glow, the Cyber Dragon has to go! He's come so long!
The glitch is gone! The kingdom is safe!
What an adventure! I think I'm ready for a snack now. The key is safe, but it's ready for something even bigger next time. You guys were amazing today. We couldn't have defeated the dragon without you.
I'm still a little bit digital! We love you, explorers. Thanks for a great season 1. Thanks for adventuring with us. We'll see you in season 2. Bye!
Look at the key, everyone! It's vibrating toward the clouds!